Hey guys, this is the Volkswagen Jetta 2017. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Volkswagen. Air cabin filter locates on the passenger side. Okay, it's right underneath the glove box. The cabin air filter locates right here. Okay, and you can find two screws. The first one and the second one. Get a flat screwdriver and get the first screw. Okay, it's right here. Okay. Okay, the first one and the second one. And the second one. Okay, that's good. Okay, keep the screws aside. Okay. Get the cover. Here's the filter box. Okay, get the cover and remove the old dirty filter. Damn, it's this one is dirty. Okay. Okay, that's good. Be careful. Okay guys, you got the new cabin air filter with activated carbon. It helps to remove dust and debris, and it also absorbs fumes and odors. Okay, let's install. Okay, check the old one and the new one. Okay. Put the filter in the right way, facing this side to the right side of the. Okay, very careful, slowly. Okay, and go slowly to the. Okay, yeah, that's very good. That's very good. Okay. Okay, got it. You guys get the cover and make sure you locate it in the correct way. Okay, and slide. Okay, the last thing is just to put the cover back. Okay, make sure the cover locates in the correct position. Okay. Okay. For one, the next is second screw is right here. You slightly turn the screw. Okay, and then we'll get the screwdriver and tighten up the screws. Okay, it's plastic screws, so be careful, guys, not to damage it. Okay, guys, get the big screw on this side, flat screwdriver. And tighten up the second screw. Okay. Okay, guys, everything looks good. That was the quick and easy installation of the cabin air filter on the Volkswagen Jetta 2017. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.